Hi there and welcome back. Offering familiar payment methods can make a big difference when it comes to checkout conversions, and PayPal, as one of the most reliable payment services in the world, will help you with this. Connecting PayPal to your Checkify Plus checkout system provides customers with a secure and familiar way to complete their purchases, helps increase conversion rates, and builds trust in your store. So let's get everything connected. Before we begin, make sure you have an active PayPal business account. If you're already using PayPal with another platform, you can simply connect that existing account. Now open your Checkify Plus admin panel and navigate to payment methods. Find PayPal in the list and click Connect. As you can see, to complete the integration, you'll need your PayPal client ID and secret key. So open your PayPal developer account and open the PayPal developer dashboard. Then navigate to Apps and Credentials and click Create App. Set the application name to Checkify Plus and create the application. Once the app is created, enable all required features in the available sections and save your changes. After saving, your client ID and secret will become available, so copy them and switch back to your Checkify Plus admin and enter the required information. Before connecting PayPal, let's review a few additional options. For example, you can configure currency settings on the checkout page by deselecting any currencies that do not align with your business model or payment requirements. Or you can choose the countries where PayPal should be displayed, allowing you to tailor the checkout experience for different markets. Once everything is configured, click Connect. Now, let's make sure everything is working correctly. Open any checkout link from the Buy Link section and proceed to the checkout page. As you can see, PayPal is now available as a payment option, and that means that PayPal is now successfully connected to your Checkify Plus checkout. By adding one of the world's most recognized payment methods, you're giving customers a payment option they already know and trust, which can help reduce hesitation and improve checkout completion rates. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you set up PayPal, feel free to save it for future reference. Let us know which payment method or checkout feature you'd like us to cover next, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. And if you're selling on Shopify, remember that Checkify Pro brings the same conversion-focused checkout experience to your Shopify store while preserving the flexibility of the Shopify ecosystem.